I'm Simon Miller from Gyananda School for Girls, Dehradun, India.
My name is Neil Menon. I live in Bangalore, India.
Hello everyone, my name is Divyani and I am from New Delhi, India.
Hi, I am Arush Tripathi of class 7th in RN Public School, Dehradun. I am from India.
My name is Lavish Madan. I am from India.
Hello, my name is Singh. I study in RN Public School in class 7. I live in India in Rudrapur, Uttarakhand.
Hello everyone, I am Amatla Kayumi. I am from India.
Hello everyone, I am Miss Kayumi. I am from India.
My name is Rohin. I am from India.
Hello everyone, my name is Arati Chaudhary. I am from India. I am the creator of Raksha Kavach and kindergarten learning apps.
My name is Shishkati. I am an inventor from India.
I am an inventor.
I am an inventor.
I am an inventor.
I am an inventor.
I am a maker. Thank you.
And I am an innovator.
I am an inventor.
And yes, I am an inventor. Thank you.